Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good and staying safe during this pandemic. We have decided to go for a night drive and thought to take you along with it. Hope you will enjoy this video. So guys, this is a Thai restaurant in Dubai Marina Crown Plaza called Charmthaidxb. They have variety options and they have ladies night as well with great ambience. So if you would like to have some Thai food, just go on and visit them. Right? So hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So until next time guys, bye bye.